Oh, that sucks. My first tire blew out. And I've done a bunch of trips and yep. I've done so many trips, man, and this is I knew it was gonna happen eventually. I got a spare, but this is a very small road in Japan. It's very, if I have attempted to change this, I got a car on there for one, so I figure I can use this opportunity to show you guys if you're in Japan on the highway. This is not the first time, so that's why I'm calm. When you're in Japan on the highway, if you're outside the car, what you want to do is you got to be away from the car, like standing over here. And also what you want to look for is every like there's this little marker, so when I call them, they know I'm right at 588. So pretty much they're gonna ask you where you at. So it's go shakuhachi juhachi. That's how you say 588. And pretty much what I'm gonna do is call an extra roadside. What's gonna happen is they're gonna send a roadside guy out here, and they're gonna block out the thing and help me change the tire here. So I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. First time experiencing this, so document it. So again, I'm gonna call here. はい、おはようございます。私、アメリカ人、外人。車キャリア、タイヤ、パンク、電話、私、電話。OK、ごめん、英語大丈夫？はい。All right, so what I just did, I just gave him my phone number. So I'm gonna hurry up back to the truck, watch out for traffic. All right, so luckily I'm in Japan. I'm not like somewhere in LA broke down where dudes are driving like 1,000 miles per hour and shit. So again, I've been here multiple times. It's just the process and everything. So gotta wait for them to call me. And then, all right, so the guys are really cool. Got Wishcom. I thought they were gonna make me get a third-party person, but luckily they're gonna let me change it right here. So they're gonna pull up behind me, and they're gonna wave the traffic over, and I gotta change the tire in this tight-ass space. And all right, so the guys who never changed the tire before, I've done it before in the military. So you right here, you got the slotted tip right there, as you can see. You see down on that area right there, there's an insert. So this part is pretty much gonna go inside that insert and turn it. This part right here goes inside of there like so and makes it turn. So again, changing the car tire is one thing up there, guys. Changing the truck tires is the same thing. But like I got shit like this going on right there. So I gotta go here, get that in there. So anyway, what the pipe okay. All right. Truck tire shop near. Residence card. Make you sure. I'm gonna follow the cops down to the next interchange. So I got the spare tire on, but what the issue is, I have the spare tire was short in air, and the inside tire is out, so I don't want to blow this one as well. So I gotta go pretty slow. It feels really sloppy. So I'm gonna follow these guys down to the next interchange to see if I can find a tire shop, because I gotta change. I can't go down to the BCU like this, man. Like this one thing. You know, one thing growing, back in the day I used to push it. Like, yeah, I could feel the car, I could feel it back end, like stepping out to the right. If it was empty, I would chance it and go further. But being that I'm loaded up, again, man, I got a wife, 5 kids, and a business to get back to, and call it soft or whatever, man. I've taken a lot of risk in my life, and I got other people depending on me, customers depending on me, so I'm gonna follow these cops. Cops are really cool here too. Speak a little bit Japanese, you know, don't be a dickhead, and they really help you out. I mean, they can really grill you and do different stuff, but I didn't pose a threat. And also mentioning I'm Air Force. All right, so I'm gonna follow these guys down there, get to the truck stop, and hopefully get a tire change and 2 tire changes, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna cost a good amount of money. So, yep, here we go.